Bloody Mary, the Queen of the Night, a haunting presence, a chilling sight. Legend says she lurks in the mirror's gaze, waiting to be summoned with a wicked maze. Her story dates back centuries ago, a tale of horror that continues to grow. The mere mention of her name brings a shiver for those who cross her, face a fate that's bitter. Bloody Mary, with her pale, ghostly face, leaves a trail of fear in her haunting chase. She appears in darkness with a vengeful glare, seeking retribution, she's beyond compare. Whispers fill the air as the hour strikes, summoning her presence with a mix of frights. Lights flicker, shadows dance, as she draws near, her chilling laughter fills the room with fear. Mirror, mirror, on the wall, Bloody Mary's curse enthralls us all. Her victims tremble as she draws near, their pleas for mercy fall on deaf ears. She feeds on fear and thrives on despair, leaving a trail of darkness everywhere. Bloody Mary, a name that sends chills, a haunting presence that forever kills. So beware, my friends, when nightfall comes, lock your doors and cover your drums. For Bloody Mary, she lingers in the dark, a spectral figure with a wicked mark.